Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our EPS Employment Account. So if you want to log into your EPS Employment Account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for login EPS Employment Account. And after searching for that option, now you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this option which says application login. And after searching for that option, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just simply tap on applicant login. And after tapping on applicant login, now you can just simply enter your email address and then enter your account's password. After entering your email address and account's password, you can just tap on login and you'll successfully log into your account. So just tap on login after entering your details, and then you'll easily log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, what you can do is just tap on forgot your password, and by tapping on forgot your password, now what you can do is just easily reset or recover your account password. So after resetting and recovering your account's password, now what you can do is just simply come back to this login page, and after coming back to this login page, you can just enter the new password that you have created for your account. After entering that new password, now what you can do is just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your EPS Employment Account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.